For demonstration, here we have 26 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches multiple of 9, 2 times 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 plus 6 extra stitches 24 and plus 2 edge stitches 26. Here I purl 2 base row, you can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete now. Second row, wrong side. In this row, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Second row, and every wrong side rows we make same. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now row 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th we make same as row 1st and 2nd. Here we completed 6 rows. Now we make row 7 right side. Slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over to front, pull 3 together, yarn over to front. That's a repeat from here to here. Pull 6, yarn over, pull 3 together, yarn over. This is 9 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Pull 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over to front, pull 3 together, yarn over to front. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 7 stitches. Pull 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete now. 8 row wrong side. In this row, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. 9th row right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a repeat from here to here. Pull 6, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Pull 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we complete 2 times Repeat pattern now last 7 stitches. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is completed now. 10th row, wrong side. In this row again purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. Row 11 right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over to back, knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over to front. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 6, yarn over, knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So one more time. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over to back, knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over to front. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 7 stitches. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit edge from right side. Row 11 is completed now. Row 12 wrong side. Again purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. Row 12 is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 12 rows, and after repetition of 12 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater and baby frocks. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.